This is designed for drive. It's designed to drive cars at performance levels. Not necessarily the top speed, but you will challenge your skills when you're yeah, test yourself. And you've heard that turn 3 is giving some of these tracks a little bit of difficulty because they're having a tough time trying to figure out that sort of percentage. Or not, but you do want to make these yeah, it is. It's great. The cars that will be by during this. There's a look at GT3 now. Quick lap here. What do you find? Window's a little bit. Turn number 3, and that's a turn that is. Get a little aggressive and classes right very close together. You're in a Mobile 1-3.